Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Netra.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sai. Okay, children. Children, we can start. So, Suvyuha? Suvyuha?
Yes, ma'am.
Suvyuha, you can on your camera. Yeah.
Welcome to each of you as we have come virtually for our class assembly. It is a privilege for our class 2A to present this assembly on World Rivers Day. The World Rivers Day falls on the fourth Sunday of September every year. It is a day we pause to show due respect to all the rivers of the world. Let us all stand for the Quran recitation by Maryam Abbas, followed by the translation by Sarah Arif. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Owner of the Atonement. Thee alone worship, Thee alone we ask for help. Show us the straight path, the path of those whom you have favored, not of those who earn your anger, and not of those who go astray. Amen. Let us all stand in attention for the Qatar national anthem. Thank you. Please be seated. The mission and vision of our beloved school will be shared by Anshika.
Vision statement of the school: build an institution that inspires students to pursue education beyond excellence with leadership qualities. Mission statement of the school: create an academic and intellectual ecosystem that enables students knowledge development and prepare them to face challenges in the air with confidence and competence. Progressive, lifelong learners motivate to excel in talent and skills and imbibe in them the element of creative thinking and critical reasoning.
The thought for the day will be shared by Meghna.
Carrying water and nutrients all around the earth. Providing food and habitat for many living organisms. Providing travel routes and recreation. Providing fertile soil and energy are some of the benefits of the rivers. It is our responsibility to care for our rivers. Shall we start doing the little we can?
Since it was the Rivers Day yesterday, some of the famous Indian rivers have come to see how we celebrate them. So it is right of us to give them the screen now. Over to you, our precious rivers. What's up, Kaveri? What's new down south?
Yesterday I was treated well because it was World Rivers Day. I am honored. Don't know about tomorrow.
Hi all, happy to meet you all today. I was almost dying when the sudden I felt I was getting better. It was COVID lockdown, dear friend. Wish the lockdown would have been longer. Now that life is slowly coming back to normal, I wonder what our plight would be. If only they use biodegradable cleaning products, the clog will not be much in us.
Yes, and also the body products these humans use should be made earth friendly. I can hardly breathe because I'm choked with the chemicals.
Not to forget the waste from restaurants and huge amount of pesticides that get dumped into us. What about the population of fish declining in us? It is alarming. When will people realize we need to stop water pollution? I'm happy for Mark Angelo, who initiated to achieve the last Sunday of September as World Rivers Day.
True. Mark Angelo said that rivers are the lifeline for Earth.
This year, let's people on Earth. Any damage to the river system damages health and well-being of all people. There are thousands of people who gather to celebrate us on the last week of September. They clean up the rivers and care for us as much as they can. But this message should reach the rest of the world. So let us continue to flow and send this message to all. See you
Season!
May I call on Aparna ma'am and Pooja addressing the gathering. Please, ma'am.
Hello, children. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Aparna ma'am
Good
here.
morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Good
morning. Good morning. Yes. It was a wonderful assembly. I just loved all the cute little rivers over here. You were all looking really nice, and your presentation skills were awesome. Okay. You presented it so well with good expressions. All the words were audible. It was clear and wonderful assembly. Congratulations to all of you, those who participated in today's assembly. And Susie ma'am, it was a
Yeah.
great, yeah, you had organized it very well. They have all practiced so well. Thank you so much for having me here today. Thank you.
so
Thank
much.
you all the
Thank you
kids.
for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aparna ma'am.
Good morning, Susie ma'am. Pooja ma'am here.
Yes, Pooja ma'am.
Good morning, children. Why your video is off? I cannot see in a single child. Can I see? Few children, please. Open your
Children, you
video.
can turn on your videos
Yeah,
now.
please. I'm so sorry. I was a little late because I was taking my class. Oh my God. So nice. So how did you arrange your? This is different children and same dress. Wow, Susie ma'am, wonderful idea. White and blue, very good. And
Yes,
you know,
ma'am.
children, your topic was also very good, which is really important for today's life. Yes, Shreya is very happy, I think. Yes. So, did you learn today how to protect our rivers? Did you learn
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes.
when you will grow up, you will take all the garbage and throw it in the rivers.
No.
Are you throwing nowadays whenever you are going to the beach here in
No.
any Cornish or anything? Are you throwing anything in the water?
No.
It is not. It's not throwing. Very good. Very good. So please don't do that. Huh? If you will see somebody is throwing, just tell them don't do. This is wrong. Yes, because there are many water animals and plants are there. Okay. So thank you so much, children. And yes, Susie ma'am.
Yes,
Really,
ma'am.
you had trained them very nicely. I can see so many times you had did the practice after the school hour
Yeah.
also. Thank you, children. Thank you, parents, so much. So without your support, we can't do any this type of activities. Thank you, all of you. And okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. Thank you for coming.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Susie ma'am and children.
Yes.
Bye. Have a nice day. Yep.
Thank you, Aparna ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Bye, dear. Bye.
Yeah, now Suvyuha can continue.
On Hamza to deliver the vote of thanks.
Yeah, Hamza,
Yes, ma'am.
you can start.
I, Hamza, consider it as an honor to extend the vote of thanks. On behalf of our class 2A, I would like to thank our principal Manjari ma'am, our headmistress Simi ma'am for their continual support in every area. I would like to thank Suvyuha for preparing the whole assembly. I would like to thank Anshika for giving us the mission and vision of our school. Thank you, Anshika. Our thanks to Mariam and Sarah Arif for the recitation and the translation of the Holy Quran.
Let us all stand for attention for the Indian national anthem.
Yamuna Ganga Chala Chala Taranga तब शुभ माने माहे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तब जय गादा जनगण मंगल नायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता जय है
Class disperse.
Yes, children. Thank you so much, all of you all. Thank you for the good assembly you did. Each of you did your best. And it was so nice to see you all. Children will speak when we meet up in the second period. Now you have your language class. So you can log out of this and go into your language class. Thank you so much, children, once again.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you and bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye to all of you. We'll meet at 8:30.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.